Namaste.
Hello.
Sat Sri Akal.
Adab.
Vanakkam.
Namaskaram.
Greetings as diverse as our nation itself, India, a land that wears its diversity as its crown, where countless cultures, languages, and traditions come together in unity.
Every corner of this incredible country has a unique story to tell, or different flavors to offer.
So, in the spirit of unity, diversity, and patriotism, let's embrace our differences and stand united as one nation.
Dean Infotech comes together to celebrate India's 77th Independence Day.
As we march towards progress, let's remember the heroes who have fought for our nation and freedom and be grateful for the opportunities that we have.
We join the nation in celebrating the spirit of freedom and unity.
We pay tribute to our nation's journey and the dreams that continue to guide us.
Hi everyone, on behalf of whole team of Dean Infotech, I would like to wish each one of you a very happy Independence Day. Let's embrace unity, diversity and progress of our nation as we shine brighter every day. Jai Hind.
Wish you all a very happy Independence Day.
Wishing you a very happy Independence Day.
Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day.
Wish you a very happy Independence Day.